Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to pay later with Temu. To pay later with Temu, you can use Buy Now Pay Later service. For this, open your Temu application on your mobile phone. Now make sure that you are logged into your Temu account. Now here you'll be taken to Home. Now here you can discover a product that you want to purchase. After you find a product, tap on the given product. With this, now tap on Add to Cart option on the down. Now here you can select the size, color or quantity. After this, tap on Add to Cart. With this, the product will be added to the cart. Now go back to the home page of Temu. Then tap on Cart option on the down. Now here you can select the products that you want to purchase. After this, tap on Checkout option on the down. Now here you need to enter all the information regarding your checkout. First you need to enter your billing address. After this you need to enter your shipping address as well. Then here you need to select a payment method. The option for Buy Now Pay Later are Afterpay, Klarna and Affirm provided by Temu. Now select the one which is best suitable for you. I am using Afterpay. Now here you need your Afterpay account to continue the further process. So you can tap on Afterpay and then tap on Pay with Afterpay option on the down. After this, you'll be taken to your Afterpay site where you need to enter your information regarding your Afterpay account. Here, the Afterpay will pay Temu on your behalf and you need to make payment to Afterpay account according to your selected plan. It is an interest-free process, so you don't need to pay interest for the later payments that you are doing for your product that you purchase on Temu. This is how we can pay later with Temu. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.